Vinita, and today I will be representing our project GTA Hiring and Management System. This project was created by our team to address a common challenges in departments, the complex process of hiring and managing graduate teaching assistants. I would like to acknowledge my teammates Raghuram, Pavan Kalyan, Tarun, and Tushara. Together, we worked on developing a solution that would make this process smoother and more efficient for administrations. So now on over to you, Tushara.
Everyone, I'm Tushara. So the main objective of a project is to build web-based application that automates and streamlines the GTA hiring and assignment process. So typically this process involves many steps and requires coordination across multiple people, making it time consuming and prone to errors. Our solution simplifies these steps, increasing both accuracy and efficiency. So by automating tasks such as like course data import, request generation, and assignment tracking, our system helps administrators manage GTA assignments with ease, ultimately saving them time and also ensuring a more organized approach to managing teaching assistant. So let us look into the application. Yeah. So this is like the first view of our application. This is the login interface. It greets users with a welcome back message and prompts them to enter the email and password. It includes like forgot password and create account, making like account recovery and setup simple. Yeah. After logging in, we can see this is the main hub for the GTA management system, welcoming users and guiding them to GTA request and GTA hiring management sections. So users can easily navigate through drop down options. And the logout button, you can see the logout button, which is available for security, enabling users to exit the system efficiently. After going through GTA request, yeah. So this is the import course data screen, which allows users to upload course-related data in either Excel or CSV format. After uploading it, the file would be directly saved into the database, and after uploading it, we can see the uploaded data page, which provides an like organized table view displaying course data, course details including CRN, time, days, like course number, etc., etc. And after generating GTA request, yeah, we can view the GTA request as well. So this view presents a structured table of GTA requests listing columns such as course, enrollment, instructor, assignment, status, everything. So assigned GTAs are shown in green, whereas unassigned GTAs are shown in red. After that, the export to CSV feature allows for convenient data export, enhancing record keeping and tracking capabilities. And later on, yeah. Yeah. After after like getting the approval from the higher officials, like regarding the uh, GTA request, so we can, after getting the approval, so here we can upload the approval sheet. This interface is similar to import course data page, but it lets users upload approval sheets with course approval data. Yeah. After, I mean, like there's a upload button as well. Yeah. Next. Yeah. We in this editable approval sheet, we can edit the values, like add values, or if we want to delete some columns, we can even delete columns as well. So after performing all the operations, each and every data is automatically saved into the database. Here we can see we are adding the data. Yeah, it shows approval sheet saved successfully, which is saved in the database. Yeah, this is a hope. Yeah. Is there any? Is there any other points you'd like to add, Vinita?
That's good, Tushara. So after uploading the approval sheet, you can view the approval sheet also. You can, if you want, you can export it to CSV. So the main complex of this process is generating the GTA request. Professors, like faculty, should and generating the request manually. So we are making it easily and conveniently for them to make the easy process for hiring GTS and assistants. Okay, that's all about this project. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, Pawan. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.